Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Me and Harry have decided to go exploring. So we are hopefully going to stumble upon, I think it's a Second World War memorial, and I think it's a Polish pilot by the name, but I'm not quite sure until we get there. So I'm going to turn you around, show you where we're going to walk to, and we should be seeing the memorial very soon. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it was a Polish pilot in the Second World War, and I think it is one of the 8 that got shot down over England. So we're going to point you in the direction now of the memorial.
I think we found it.
Yeah, we definitely found it. I knew it was around here somewhere. Quite interesting. I think it's the Blitz around about 1940. So we're coming up to it now. It's actually quite nice, this one. It's a memorial. Should zoom in for you. And there's a memorial here. There was 303 Squadron by the looks of it. Got some nice flowers there for part of the memorial. Now it said, now get this right, Sergeant Stefan Wojtałowicz, if I've got that right, correct me if I haven't. One of the few, he bravely fought 6 Me-109s, destroying one, and one probable before he was shot down nearby on the 11th of September 1940, aged 21. On our wings sing the wind of liberty. Now let me get this right. I think that says Za Nasa I Waza Wolnask, for our freedom and yours. So he fought in the war, which is about 1940, and so around the Blitz time, for our freedom. I'm just going to show you some of the view. Now the aircraft did get shot down around here somewhere, but this one is a memorial. So just a lot of people don't even know this one's up here, but you know, to the First and Second World War people that fought for us in the country, just like to say a big thank you, and so would a lot of other people. Anyway, we'd like to say thanks for watching the video. Me and Harry would like to say thank you, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.